Hello fellow crafters and paper artisans, it's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I'm here for installment 3, challenge 3 for the No Spin November 2020 with Call Me Crafty Al. And the challenge for number 3 was You Make My Heart Sing, and so you were supposed to use something with music. And I had bought this beautiful gold music notes paper last month because I was on this gold kick for some reason, and so I decided to make a card box. And it is a slider and it just slides open, and then there are 4 cards inside. And so let me talk about the box first. So I did use this gold and cream ribbon. I did the box in cream 110 and layered it with gold and then the music paper. And this ribbon is from Dollar Tree. And then I added some honey bee bling to it. And I have a Bo Bunny no, it might not be a Bo Bunny stamp. I have a stamp that had some different, I was trying to find stamps that kind of had song lyrics for Christmas. So Deck the Halls was on that one. And then I did 4 cards, and this one is Oh Holy Night, and again with the bling. And I stamped these in gold delicata. And then I didn't do ribbon on the rest, so we got Deck the Halls again, Joy to the World, and Holly Jolly. So all of those were song lyrics, Christmas song lyrics. And then I had a little bell that is from a Bo Bunny stamp, and I stamped just the corner of all of the envelopes, and I wrapped them in gold ribbon. And that is my You Make My Heart Sing music in November. And all of this was things I already had in my stash. This punch is actually this punch shape is a Stampin' Up punch. It came in a set with like a card set with some stamps and some mini inks, and I really bought it because I wanted the paper punch. So there is my project. I will link the tutorial in the description because I did follow a tutorial for this, and I like it actually. And I have some green music paper in one of those I think the White Christmas pad from Michaels that I may do something else with. So thanks for watching.